Hi, my name is David Maymon. I am going to take a few minutes of your time and talk to you today about a company I started in 2007 called Advocate Home Care. And the thing that says the most about the company is the name, Advocate, because in many ways what's happened over the years is myself and my team members have become, in fact, advocates for a lot of families and for a lot of children's parents in the South Florida and throughout from Orlando south to help them out in their time of need. Advocate is a company, as I said, I started in 2007, and I started it after my own grandmother needed care at home. It was a subpar experience. I remember feeling confused, and I remember feeling a little lethargic about the entire experience, not understanding the different components and how everything linked and how everything played together. And I thought to myself, there's got to be a better way to do this. So I hung up my cleats of practicing law and decided to take my talents and exercise my entrepreneur recessive gene and open up Advocate Home Care. I started it originally with myself, and shortly after I started it, my mom came on board to help me. And since that time, we have grown it from a small family business, and we cover most of the state now from about Orlando south on both coasts down to the Keys. It's a challenge. It's also a huge reward. I've never experienced anything like this in my life that leaves me almost on a daily basis with the amount of gratification I get from helping other folks. I noticed early on in this career that I have a certain penchant with senior citizens. I understand them, I respect them, and there is a strange link or nexus there that I have with them that is rather peculiar and unique. And I think that has allowed me to not only find the passion in what I do, but share that with others who have joined us. So just a little bit about us. We are a licensed nurse registry here in the state of Florida. And essentially what that means is when mom or dad or husband or wife or family or friend are getting discharged from a nursing facility, from a hospital or at an assisted living facility, or maybe they're at home, we typically are called to come in to assist with finding a caregiver that's going to help them out with their activities of daily living. So what does that mean to assist in finding a caregiver? Well, the state of Florida has a long laundry list of rules and regulations that the caregivers in the state have to abide by. There's two primary roles of the caregivers, or if you will, qualifications. There are home health aides and there are certified nursing assistants. And simply put, what we do is we will meet with these home health aides and certified nursing assistants, make sure they have all their documentation, make sure that they have everything that's needed from the state's perspective. Level 2 background screening, make sure that they are eligible from a criminal perspective, not ever having been arrested, and the state of Florida deems that they're appropriate to go into mom or dad's house. Also to make sure that they don't have any communicable diseases and tuberculosis, they've been seen by a doctor, they're CPR certified, etc., etc. Once they meet all those qualifications, then we ask ourselves a fundamental question. And this is a question that when I started this company many years ago, because of my own experience with my grandmother, that still is asked this day by each one of us. Is this somebody that we would put in our own mom's home? Is this somebody we would refer for our own mother? And if they pass that test, then we will at that point introduce them to the families and allow them to see if that chemistry is there and see if there's indeed a good matchup, not only from a clinical perspective of them doing the healthcare, but also from a chemistry perspective. What really sets us apart from a lot of other companies out there in this space that do this is us, our hearts, our passion, the fact that we go above and beyond for our clients in every respect. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's no job that is too big for us. We're also a tremendous asset in the community in terms of if there's something else going on, that maybe you need a nurse, maybe you need medical equipment, maybe you need an elder law attorney, maybe you need help filing a claim with the Veterans Administration. We can help in many, many different areas that we don't specifically, our company doesn't provide service in, but just because we've been around for so long, we have a tremendous amount of institutional knowledge, we can be a great asset. So I hope that this video was in many ways helpful for you. I hope it's helpful that you get to see a face to the name. You can call me at any time. Again, my name is David. I started the company. I will gladly give anybody my cell phone number if you have any questions, if you have anything comes up at any time, I'm always available. And I look forward to helping you, and hopefully at this point in where you are with your loved one, avoiding some of the things that I've encountered and that others have encountered by being your advocate. Thank you.